Managing social media with a patient-centric approach. Managing relationships and being able to promote through social media is key in this healthcare landscape. It promotes to a public that may not be looking at other things. So let's go into a little bit of in-depth talk about how we can do this together. Content that resonates with patients' needs. So social media specialists craft content that addresses common healthcare concerns, share wellness tips, and demystify complex treatments. You go to a patient has a rotator cuff surgery. They don't really understand it. The doctor explains it, but they really don't have it all together. Sometimes we demystify this when they become a patient. We can show them pictures. We can show them other things. This type of patient-focused content not only builds credibility, but it also makes patients feel like they've received value from your practice before they've even stepped through the front door. There's ways of actually doing this, and we call this persuasion. And this actually helps to increase your PR presence. Engaging and responding to patient inquiries. Now, we know on social media people can post almost anything, but there's a right way of actually responding, and that will foster more patients who want to engage with you. This is key in order to have a practice that is forward-facing. Maximizing your ROI when it comes to patient marketing. Every dollar counts, especially in healthcare practices where budgets have been carefully allocated to balance operational needs. Now, we all know when it comes to at least physical therapy, margins are pretty tight. So we don't have the excess funds to spend on marketing techniques that don't necessarily work. So that is very important. Specialized marketing teams are adept at calculating the return and understand what is the ROI of every campaign that they do. Tracking and analyzing campaign performance. So if you're keeping statistics or KPIs, this is absolutely essential in order to know if your marketing dollars are being spent intelligently. Refining strategies for continuous improvement. After you've done a marketing campaign, you need to constantly look at the statistics to see, was it helpful? Did we actually get the return that we want to? Should we shift focus? Should we try something else? This is a constant thing that you're doing. As a business owner, you have to become an expert in this category. Now, one of the biggest things that I've talked about in the past when it comes to marketing or anything else, it's freeing your time up from patient treatment. Now, if you're a solopreneur, that becomes very hard because you're doing everything. And to free that time up becomes very difficult. But as time goes on and you start having key staff, which we can help you to kind of give you an idea of at what intervals you should get what type of staff members and based on productivity. But it is essential to free your time to work on your business, not in your business. AG management wants to help you leverage your growth. Now, what does that mean? Leveraging your growth honestly means we want to be able to take the small time that you have and make it very, very impactful. We know as a business owner, you have many things to do. I've been there myself and I have done that, and I've been on the other side of it now. And I want to be able to impart the knowledge that I have gained over 20 years and to help you succeed. It gives me great passion to be able to help other practices and to see them succeed. So give us a call. We'd love to set up a call and to get to know what your practice needs are. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can get you more content.